Welcome. If you want to make sure you never miss another live video on Instagram while using your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest Instagram update, enabling notifications for live videos on your desktop is quick and easy. Let me guide you through the simple steps to turn on these alerts so you can stay connected with your favorite creators in real time. First, open the Instagram app on your PC by navigating to Instagram.com and logging into your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, look at the menu on the left side of your screen. You'll see several icons there. Click on the profile icon to access your personal settings. Next, within your profile view, find and click on Notifications. This section lets you manage all the alerts you receive from Instagram. After entering the Notifications menu, select Push Notifications. This is where you can customize exactly which types of notifications you want to receive. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Live Videos. This setting controls whether you get notified whenever someone you follow starts a live broadcast. To ensure you never miss a live session, simply choose On for live video notifications. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've enabled live video notifications on Instagram for your PC. Now, whenever your favorite accounts go live, you'll receive instant alerts right on your desktop. Whether it's a Q&A, a music session, or any other live moment, you'll be the first to know. Enjoy staying connected and never missing out on live content again. Thanks for watching and have fun engaging with your favorite creators on Instagram.